everyone, this is Christy. I'm back. Yay! Many things happened on November and December that I couldn't go back to making videos, but now I have some news for you. I have a craft room. I've been crafting 9 years, literally 9 years in the dining room. Okay. So it was very hard for me to bring this out, do crafts, video, and then put it back, and all the time doing that thing. And now I can believe it, I have a craft room. I've been moving my stuff a lot because I have to have whatever I needed in the right place. So it took me too long, but now it's almost done. I promise I will make craft room tour, okay, when everything is in its place. Now I'm going to show you my hauls from December, okay, November and December. I will put the links of all the stuff that I got in the description box in case you want it. And my first haul was 2 of these 5-drawer units from IKEA, and the name of these units are Alex. So when you go to IKEA, check for these ones, and they are very convenient for us because we can save a lot of stuff in the drawers and we can have it handy. And to complete my desk, I bought from IKEA a Lingmoon Table top, and the color of this is a stained oak, and the size that I bought is 59 by 29.5 inches. I also bought this mat, and it's a beautiful mat from Hobby Lobby. This cutting mat is 24 by 36 inches. And this mat is double-sided. As you can see, it has all the grids in the other side as well. You can change to any side, and that is a dark gray color with teal. And yeah, you can extend the life of your mat by changing in both sides. I also bought from Amazon a Gemini. I wanted it so badly because I can use my big dice with this machine, and I didn't try it yet. I will do it with you in a video. So this one comes with a bundle of plates, all the plates, dice, and an embossing folder. I also got this corner slot punch from scrapbook.com, and the brand of this one is Dress My Craft. I really like this punch and I wanted it for a long time, so I had to wait and finally got it. That's perfect for my mini albums. I also got a haul from craftycity.com, and I got the new collection from Prima. It's With Love, designed by Frank Garcia, and I love these papers. I love the colors. They are very shabby chic, and this is going to be for my stash. I don't know when I'm going to make project using these beautiful papers. It has a lot of designs in each page. Look at those puffy hearts. Oh my goodness. And there are tags and roses in every page. That's beautiful. And this is the A4 size, and it comes with 30 sheets and 6 double-sided designs, so it's a lot of paper. And I also got a 12 by 12. As you can see right here, this 12 by 12 comes with 30 sheets of paper in the pad and 6 double-sided, and they are the same designs as in the first one but bigger. And I really love for creating maybe a mini album and some other things that matches. So beautiful. moving on, I also got a collection that I bought before, like 2 pads, and this time I bought more because it's beautiful and I love the colors that goes well with my craft room. So I'm planning to use and make some, maybe something decorative for my craft room. And it has these colors of teal and pink, and the collection is Yesterday from Lemon Craft. And this one comes with 6 double-sided papers in the kit, okay? And the size is a 12 by 12. Then I also got the 12 by 12 basic paper pad, and it comes with 12 double-sided papers, and that's for the background. So I'm going to match the basic papers with the other ones, and has more details of the corners and more embellishments in the pages. Okay, as you can see, it looks like that is embossed, but it's plain paper, but it's a very high quality. I also got this paper that has embellishments for cutting out to embellish my project, and it's so super cute. And I got this 6x6 that matches, and I can use this one for mats or for tags. So it's going to be a complete set for me, and I just need to add flowers and other embellishments, maybe ribbon, and I love the colors. And I also got 3 paper pads for the design team project that I had to make for Crafty City, and this is one of them. This is a 6x6 paper pad from Lemon Craft, and the collection is Silence, and it has a beautiful combination of colors, very shabby chic, and it has cutouts and beautiful papers. This one has in total 24 double-sided papers, and it's only 12 designs, so it's 2 of each one. It's very gorgeous. I can't wait to make something with this one. And the following paper kit is Amidst the Roses from Scrap and Me, and this one is double-sided paper as well, and I think it has only 6 pages, and it has cutouts and beautiful images that you can decorate any project. And as you can see, it's a little bit of peach and teal, and it's very shabby chic. And the last paper pad that I got for my projects is Blooming Magnolia from Scrap and Me. And this is a 12 by 12, and it has double-sided paper. As you can see, it has cutouts, and it has beautiful images in the corners, and you can create gorgeous mini albums. It's shabby chic too. And these papers are available at craftycity.com. The links are going to be in the description box. And now I'm going to show you a sneak peek of my hauls from In Love Arts. I received some dies to make a collaboration video, and I didn't make any projects yet, but I'm going to show you very fast the dies that I got. So I will show you with samples very soon, okay, using all these beautiful dies. Anyways, I'm going to put the links. If you want to visit a store, you can find it there. And this is another haul from Quina Craft. That's for my collaboration video with them. And look at these gorgeous dies. And yeah, I'm going to make samples and I'll show you soon. Okay, this one is lovely. It says love you and it's a frame, especially for Valentine's Day. And this is a beautiful box. It's a kind of envelope box to put some goodies in there. And they sent me a gift, a little mini book, so I can have some notes, and it's so cute. I hope you like my hauls and stay tuned to my channel for new projects. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.